Hey Bling Squad, it's Lauren and Laura. And we are back. So last week we did not release a video. We try to do videos every Thursday. However, we went out of town to assist a family member who is currently recuperating from surgery. But we are back. We are back with 2 new videos this week. This one is the first one. And we have a surprise for you guys today.
2, 3. Box opening!
So, if you guys remember a video or 2 or a few ago, I did a compilation with some other YouTubers. And one of them does box openings. And she has different, I guess you could say, subscriptions to different boxes. And one of those subscriptions was fabfitfun, right? Fabfitfun. I remember. However you pronounce it. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Fabfitfun.
Fabfitfun. So we actually got a code for, I think, like a $5 pre-trial type of box. And the box came, of course, while we were out of town. So today we are going to open it. Lauryn and I have not touched it. We have been waiting to do this video. And since we didn't do a video last week, I said we're going to release 2 videos this week. This week. So today, Tuesday, is video number 1. And then, of course, on Thursday will be video number 2. What were you going to say?
P.S. This is going to be our first box opening on this channel.
She's right. This is our first box opening. So, I got a letter opener. Lauren, you want to...
Would this be considered like as a vlog? Because I don't know the difference.
I have no clue.
Can you guys help us out in the comments if you can tell us if it's a vlog or not? Oh, and that's our box opener. I don't know if she said that.
Letter opener, box opener, same thing.
Anything opener.
But, oh shoot, I think I'm holding it upside down. Let me get it right side up.
So guys, what I really like is all these like little quotes and stuff, and then it says warning. The products in this box may cause excitement. Nice.
All right, so I'm at the table, so I'm gonna put the box down because I'm gonna show it one more time. It's a pretty sizable box. So I'm going to open it up and take the things out so you guys can see what we got.
Ooh. So the first thing when you open the box, I think this is like a mini magazine.
Mm-hmm.
It says how the box is curated, sweated out, and just all these little things on it because it's amazing.
Next up, it says, what's in the box? What is in the box? Ooh, the total retail value of this box is $117. Now, since this is our first time opening up the box, as we stated, I am not going to read the card in its entirety, meaning I'm not going to actually look at what's in the box based on the card. We are just going to go straight to the box. But on the other side, it says, a note from us. You want to read it?
At FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Enjoy some of our top-rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing!
Now, if I'm not mistaken, the price of a full box, because as it said, this is like a little taste of what's to come. The full box, if I'm not mistaken, is $49.99. Now, I can't remember if that's a month or what, but I will double check that and put it in the description of the video. I will also put information in the description of the video how to sign up if you would like. But
and guys, before you unbox, mommy, it says, "Are we friends yet?" And you can follow them on social media. As you can see, it's a hashtag FabFitFun and at FabFitFun, so you can follow on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
All right, go Lauren. Hashtag show the support. So, ooh, You guys, this is pretty cool. So, okay, let me show real quick. It's like nicely pretty wrapped. If you can see, there's some pretty wrapping paper
And then there's
with the little sticker that keeps everything together. So I'm gonna open that up and we're gonna see what's inside. All right. Ooh. I saw that. It was a sneak peek. So first up, we have available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom's, and AdoreJewelry.com. A cute little stack and sparkle. It's a signature. It's an organic. Adore's signature organic circle bracelet is beautifully crafted with an asymmetrical shape. I love asymmetrical. Featuring rose gold plating and a Swarovski crystal. That is cute. You guys see it? It's a beautiful little bracelet. And in this little circle here is a Swarovski crystal. Don't ask me to say that again because I can't say it right. But there's the crystal right there.
And also, I don't know if you can really see it, but they have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So
hashtag support. Yeah. And this is again by Adore Jewelry. All right.
I want to show the next one.
Lauren wants to show the next one.
So the next one is a nascent London. Thirsty Hands. Super hydrating hand mask.
Yeah, that's it. That's a whole nother language. Oh. So this is Thirsty Hands. It's a hydrating mask for your hands. And it's by I think it's Nail Sync, Nailsinc. I think that's right.
Nail Sync London.
So this is 18 milliliters or 0.60 fluid ounces.
For dry and tired skin.
For dry and tired skin, specifically on your hands. So pretty cool. I like that.
It looks like a glove. I thought it was a glove at
It's
first.
a hand mask. So yeah, you put your hands in the glove.
Okay.
All right, next we've got some mess, right? Mess. But let's dig in the mess. And we have a product by Tarte. It's called a Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. All right, so it's in a cute little box.
I love the color.
Tarte SCA.
Ooh, I love the color.
Lauren says, "Ooh, I love the color."
I love teal, so.
She loves teal. She does. All right, so let's see what's in here.
Ooh la la.
She says, "Ooh la la." Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I would really like to know what this is, though. It just keeps saying hydrating boost. I'm sure it's not something that I'm supposed to be drinking, even so it says a drink of H2O. 12-hour hydration. Okay, it still doesn't say what it is.
Wait, let me see.
Lauren's gonna open it up and see if we can figure it out. If I still can't figure it out, of course I'll go to that little
I think it's like some type of powder.
Piece of paper. It's not.
Oh,
it smells good.
It smells like a face cream. Maybe it's a face cream.
I think it's a face cream by Tarte. Tarte. Ew. We'll check out the little information. I guess you could say pad or note
at the end, so we don't ruin anything from the card.
So we got Tarte H2O, a drink of
all?
hydration.
Oh no, it's like you have to look for it because there's a lot of mess confetti. I don't know what it's called.
Go ahead, grab it. Lauren's gonna show the next piece.
Okay, so the next thing. I actually seen this before. It's Pep Rally. I think it's for your hair. Yeah. Pep Rally. I think it's for your hair. Prime and Prep Detangler. So it's a detangler. Oh, it's actually by Dry Bar.
And it says "Shake Me Up" over here.
Yeah.
The conditioning ingredients in Prep Rally can sometimes rise to the top. Don't worry, there's no effect in product performance. A quick shake will mix them back up. Okay.
Okay, that is really nice. So you can, I don't know if you can see, but it's a nice pinkish bottle and it has conditioner. I think conditioner water. I don't know what it is, but
it says it right there. It's Prime and Prep Detangler. It's a detangler, so basically it detangles your hair.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that is it. So let's grab that little note that they gave us at first, so we can read to make sure we got all the products.
So, 1
ink readable Nails Inc. Thirsty Hand Mask Duo. So we did see that. Dry Bars Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler.
Saw that.
The Tarte Sea Drink and H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer.
No, it's for your skin. I told I was right.
Leave your skin soothed and refreshed with electrolyte packed hydration. And then the Adore by Swarovski. So the Nails Inc. was a $16 value.
The Dry Bar was a $23 value.
The Tarte Hydrating Boost Cream is a $39 value.
And the Adore Original Bracelet was a $39 value.
So this box was pretty neat. I like the variety of items. We'll definitely give it a try. Now, this box was only like $5 if I'm not mistaken, or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to see what they give us for the $49.99 value next month, and I'll definitely unbox that. And if I like what I get, I'm probably gonna keep it, because with Brandon and I trying to have a baby, working out is actually something that we should be doing. Brandon himself has gotten more into working out as well. So we're definitely going to be doing a lot more working out, getting more healthy and fit, because again, it definitely helps with fertility and becoming parents, not just me as a mom, but parents.
And guys, the total retail value was $117. I don't know if she said that.
Yes, in the beginning I did say it, but to reiterate it, everything in the box cost $117. And like I said, I think I got like $5 or $10 for this starter box. So it was pretty neat. The things under is pretty decent, I would say. I'm definitely going to check out this magazine. Those of you who don't know me yet, I love to read. So Lauren, stop trying to snatch my stuff.
No, I'm trying to say, again, if you missed, please follow them on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at fabfitfun, and you can type in hashtag fabfitfun to see what they have, like what their products are and stuff. So, you know what I actually thought this was?
What?
Like clothes, that like workout clothes.
No, it's a box.
Brand.
If you check out some unboxings, and I'm actually gonna link those YouTubers links in the description as well, because they do more unboxing than I do. I know my YouTube channel mainly has been about my fertility journey, but I wanted to do this unboxing because I know my journey can be a little much. It can be a little overwhelming at times. And I feel like through our journey, especially as mothers, because let's be honest, there's fathers on this journey as well too, but especially as mothers, because we carry the baby, because we're the ones who actually get pregnant, we're the ones who physically experience all the things that we're going through. As mothers, we can get so entangled in our fertility journey that we kind of sometimes forget to have fun. We sometimes forget to enjoy life, to be good and kind to ourselves. So I will definitely do unboxings in this channel more often, because it is a nice break away from the sad gloom, doom, the ups, the downs, and all that comes along with fertility journeys.
So what it would be would TTC, your channel would be like TTC, lifestyle, vlogs, and unboxing?
Yes.
Is that what it would be?
So we're going to switch it up just a little bit, and as Lauren said, this channel will be about
TTC, lifestyle, vlogs, and unboxings.
All right. So thank you guys for checking us out. Be sure to stay tuned, because we are definitely going to release an update video on Thursday. And I think I'm gonna do my best to start doing videos every Tuesday and Thursday, because I think just sticking to once a week, you can get a little anxious, you can get a little bored, I guess you could say.
Things might pop up and you want to say it on your YouTube, but then you can't.
And say it again.
I said that things might pop up and you want to say it on your YouTube, but you can't, because you want to do it. You want to have like a schedule. But
okay.
Yeah.
So every Tuesday and Thursday, I think. If you guys agree and like twice a week instead of one, be sure to put it in the comments. And as Lauren usually says, what should they be doing?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And be sure to always do what?
Hit that notification bell.
So that they can do what?
See every new video.
Good job. See you guys later. Mwah.
Wait.
What?
Cheers to FabFitFun.
Oh my goodness. She is so #FabFitFun right now. Let's see the next box that we unbox, what you're going to be all about. But thank you guys so much for checking us out, and we will see you next time.
Mwah.